Good morning, class. Today we begin an exciting journey into a brand new subject, science. Are you ready?
We are ready!
This book is called Curiosity because that's the most important thing in science, being curious. We all start asking questions from the time we're small. Have you ever asked, why do stars shine? Or how do flowers know when to bloom?
Ma'am, I always wondered how rain happens.
That's what science is about, asking questions and looking for answers. Whether it's a puddle of water or the stars in the sky, science is everywhere.
So it's not just about memorizing facts?
We all use science in daily life. A cook wondering why the dal spilled, a bicycle repair person looking for a puncture, an electrician testing a faulty bulb. Let's try activity 1.1. Think of a problem you solved on your own. Maybe your pen stopped writing. What did you do?
I opened it to check the ink refill. It was empty, so I knew the problem.
That's the scientific method. You observed, asked a question, made a guess, and tested it. Science helps us understand how plants grow, why deserts are dry, or even what makes our favorite food taste so good. Activity 1.2. Can you describe a daily life situation where someone used the scientific method?
Huh? My tablet isn't charging. Is the plug loose? Nope. Still not working. Maybe the charger's broken? Let me try my brother's charger. Yes! It's working now. So the problem was the charger. I looked, guessed, tested, and found the answer. Did I just do science? Cool. I'm like a scientist.
Remember, science is not done alone. Scientists work in teams. So ask your friends when you're stuck. Exploring together is more fun. Now for activity 1.3. If you had to ask why about something, what would you ask?
Why do we get fever when we're sick?
Great question, and how will you find the answer? Exactly! It's about exploring and discovering, like solving a big jigsaw puzzle where each new discovery is a new piece. We won't stop at Earth. We'll ask questions about the sun, moon, and the millions of stars above. You won't get all answers in grade 6, but this is just the beginning of your science journey. So never stop asking questions. Be a wise person to become a wise person.
Yes, ma'am!